Florida's legislative session is over and still no deal on the Medicaid debate, and now Florida businesses are expected to be hit with some hefty fines. That is, if they don't provide employees with health care. WTXL's Brittany Jones spoke to business owners who say lawmakers need to come up with a deal.
Florida businesses may be forced to pay out hundreds of thousands of dollars now that lawmakers ended the legislative session without a Medicaid deal.
It was a huge blow to small businesses here in Tallahassee and throughout the state.
Small business owners say lawmakers desperately need to come up with a plan to provide the more than 1 million uninsured with health care coverage.
These are working Floridians, people who have a job, and then when these requirements kick in a couple of years, when everybody needs to be covered, businesses are going to have to pick up the slack.
This is all a part of getting ready for the Affordable Care Act, which will kick in January 2014. It requires everyone to have health insurance. The law states any business with more than 50 full-time employees must provide health insurance coverage for those who work more than 30 hours a week. Bill Hurley with the National Federation of Independent Businesses says business owners will be penalized if they don't comply.
There's the potential that if business owners don't provide health insurance to their employees, they'll face significant fines and penalties. But simply getting more of their employees on Medicaid is not an acceptable solution to them.
Businesses are looking at penalty costs between $2,000 to $3,000 per employee. Hurley says they can also be fined if the coverage they provide is insufficient, if they don't offer coverage at all, and if those employees have to get coverage from an exchange. This debate is surely not over, but business owners are hoping something is done before it's too late. In Tallahassee, Brittany Jones, WTXL, ABC 27, dedicated to you.
And U.S. Senator Bill Nelson is now calling for a special session. In a letter sent to Governor Scott today, he says in part, now the legislature has done exactly what you said you wouldn't. It has denied these Floridians access to coverage, and now only you have the chance to remedy the lawmakers' failure to expand Medicaid to needy Floridians.
Finding a list of